Hello, this is Dr. Cole Woolley, and this lesson is entitled Perfumed-Grade Essential Oils. Now, perfume-grade essential oils contain synthetics. These lowest two quality grades both contain synthetics. Synthetic fragrances are bad because they come from chemical companies. They require a chemical reaction where you put usually two components together to create one, but at the same time, there's also a byproduct created. This byproduct is usually toxic or semi-toxic, or the toxicity is unknown. Nobody knows about it. And so people who use synthetic fragrances are blind to this chemical byproduct with unknown toxicity. So usually when these synthetic fragrances are produced in the chemical companies, they produce them at different levels. There's a 99% purity, so 1% is byproduct. And then there's 95% purity, so 5% or so is a byproduct. And then they even have a technical grade that's anywhere from 5% to 50% of the byproduct. Well, that's a lot. There's these unknown dangers, the toxicity and dangers of bioaccumulation of toxic components that happen with synthetic fragrances. And you're exposed to those in many, many different places. Even if you've tried to say no to synthetic fragrances, you're still exposed to them in some degrees. So, what is a perfume-grade essential oil? It is a natural essential oil plus a synthetic. So, it might be 5% synthetic and 95% natural, or some combination like that. Whatever it is, it's very, very common. In anywhere from 50 to 80% of the essential oils that are out there, they are perfume grade essential oils because people have tried to make them smell better or make more money. So genuine grade essential oil can be added with synthetic to make this perfume grade, or you can take a blended manipulated grade oil and put it with a synthetic and make a perfume grade essential oil. They're all labeled as essential oils, but it's a big deception. This is the fragrance world in a way, because the companies that make synthetic fragrance blends for products make these fragrant blends, and they're the same kind of essential oils that are labeled as essential oil in the aromatherapy market. So they're usually labeled as 100% pure and natural, but they're the same thing as fragrance that's found in both the laundry products, hair care products, skin care products, and those wonderful room air fresheners, and in your colognes and perfumes. So these all contain fragrance essential oils, or they're called essential oils or fragrances. Now, let's give you some examples of perfumed essential oils. This one is perfumed lavender. This is very common, you guys. You probably don't realize it, but it's out there at a high prevalence. And only good scientists with good instrumentation can figure it out and decipher that it's a good oil or it's a bad oil. Not just these third-party labs that run a GCMS. Okay, so perfume lavender, which is very common, all they add is a synthetic component or molecule called linaloyl acetate. Now, linaloyl acetate is a synthetic, so they add it to lavender and it makes it smell more lavender-like, and they just sell this to you at a high price, and they say it's genuine grade, but it's not. It's labeled as lavender essential oil, but it's a deception. Another example is geranium that's perfumed. Perfumed geranium essential oil is also very common. So what happens is they take synthetic geraniol that smells just like rose, and they take this rose-smelling synthetic geraniol and add that to geranium at 3 to 5%, increase the aroma. You've got a better smelling geranium essential oil that outdoes everybody else. Well, then you sell it on the market for the same price as a genuine grade essential oil, and then the company labels it as a genuine grade essential oil, and it's a big deception. So somewhere in the supply chain, they created this deception, and the companies who sell you the essential oil unbeknowingly sell you this oil. Another example is cinnamon bark essential oil that has been perfumed, and it's been perfumed with synthetic trans-cinnamaldehyde. Now that's the major component in cinnamon bark essential oil, so why not add 3-5% synthetic trans-cinnamaldehyde? So when you do this, you create a perfumed cinnamon bark essential oil. It is not genuine grade, and it's labeled as cinnamon bark, but it's a big deception, and you end up paying for it if you buy it. So what to look out for? If you want to have genuine grade essential oils, stay away from perfume grade essential oils. Know what to look for. Know what to ask. Does the company that you're buying essential oils from have smart scientists? Do they have a research budget? Do they have a quality control budget? Do they have smart quality control scientists? Do they have testing standards? All these things create a company that will guard you from having perfume grade essential oils, and that's what you don't want. You want the best, highest quality essential oils, which is genuine grade essential oils.